Today, the Udupi SPCA, with the support of PETA India, conducted an enforcement at a facility which is run by Mr. Sudhindra Aitar. And this facility was hoarding dogs, cats, the birds, sugar gliders, hedgehogs, and so many other species. These were being bred and being sold illegally in violation of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. And the total number of animals rescued on 12th February 2025 is 123 animals, and another enforcement was conducted on 11th of January where about 78 animals were rescued. They were lying in their own filth. Their cages were not cleaned for weeks, perhaps months together. Most animals were found to be in unhealthy conditions. Puppies infected with distemper, parvovirus, dehydrated, having injuries, lesions on their bodies. Cats were also found to be weak, dehydrated, some with viral infections. The rescued animals were provided veterinary care, food